Neurobiology of stress. In biological terms, stress has been defined by various physiological changes, including activation of the pituitary adrenal axis, which leads to the liberation of adrenal steroids, triggered by the release of adrenocorticotropic hormones ACTH from the pituitary. This ACTH stimulation is controlled by the corticotropin releasing factors CRF present in the hypothalamus and released in response to various stressors. This overactivation can produce the psychopathology of anxiety, such as disorders, depression, and even damage to body organs. The stress responsive system are interconnected, and the activation of the HPA axis is facilitated by stress induced norepinephrine release in certain regions of the brain, such as hippocampus and amygdala. Look at this HPA axis. Hypothalamus, CRH, corticotropin releasing hormone. Anterior pituitary, adrenocorticotropic hormone ACTH. Adrenal cortex, cortisol. Negative feedback. Any dysregulation of this system can lead to various stress related complications. CRF is the principal activator of ACTH secretion by the anterior pituitary. Activation of this axis, also called the APA axis, results in glucocorticoid release into systematic circulation. Look at this picture. Physiological stresses. Pituitary gland, ACTH, adrenal gland, adrenal cortex, glucocorticoids, medulla, epinephrine, norepinephrine, HPA, HSA axis. Norepinephrine directly affect heart, blood vessels, and spleen. Sympathetic nerve system. These glucocorticoids are considered to be key players in an organism's response to stress. Stress and glucocorticoids have specific effects on cognitive functions in humans. Adrenal steroids and stressful events result in short-term and reversible defects in episodic and spatial memory. Acute effects of stress are evident within a time span ranging from a few hours to a day, are generally reversible and selective to a task or situation. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.